ride home. Okay. Are we gonna low side? Nope. We're gonna go a little wide. Oh. Damn it. Damn it. Willie was a hippie. Okay, very interesting. Road surface hazard.
A big mistake riding onto a hard shoulder full of gravel like this.
Look at the road.
On my side.
Okay, pull off on the shoulder. Oh, no. Ay. So lost some traction. Now it's time to rescue this rider. Okay.
Yeah,
So left shoulder pain.
Just trying to let you guys go by me.
We are in C Crew right now, Flash Ninja.
Damn it.
Yeah, not a big deal. Let's go ahead and move on with that. That was a gravel issue. So gear blazer. Okay, looks like he's got a rock form mount. So uncommon thing in a common situation, did a great job planning that ride. He located that hazard in his lane and adapted to it. Okay, so we have hail coming down with no gear. Not very smart. Not very smart at all. Oh, lost some traction, and we're going to be slipping and sliding all over the road. Sometimes it's best just to pull over and wait for the hailstorm to go away. I understand there's... 1 second. I understand it might not go away for a while, but holy crap. I think he might have had a passenger. Let's go ahead and take a look. Can we see it in the mirror? I see 2 helmets. All right, so if you're going to be doing this, you got to be paying attention quite a bit when it comes to riding with a passenger. Wear full gear. Lost some traction. Either hydroplaning on the water on the road, but that hail is no buenos. So go ahead and rescue your friend. All right, damage to the bike wasn't too bad. The rider was able to ride home. Okay, are we gonna low side? Nope. We're gonna go a little wide. Oh. Damn it. Low sided. No, he didn't low side. What am I thinking? He went too wide. So we went a little bit wide. Right here. Probably was paying attention to another YouTuber and how to corner, getting that body position. Fortnite says do the counter leaning and all that stuff. Hey, here's the thing. How about nobody goes extremely fast, so we're going to have to do some amazing advanced skills. So right here, we're going to accidentally go off the road a little bit, hit that divot where everything dumps down. Now, this is a big problem is that we're going to land. Oh, it's going to be a high side? Yep, that was a high side. So if you guys don't know what a high side is, there it is. So high side, he went up and over. There's his foot on the bottom right, and easily snap an ACL, PCL, LCL, meniscus, all that stuff. Jam that femur into your hip. Not very good. Put the hands out. Thankfully, we got full gear. He's going to go ahead and roll. There's that shoulder and elbow impact. So you have gear in your jacket. You have impact protection. There's the head impacting. So you have a helmet. And he's going to be flailing around because of physics. Wear full gear, everybody. Make sure you corner at the right speed. All right, Prince Meerkat, here we go. Riding around. Side of the vehicle right there. They're going to... Very interesting choice. Didn't work out too well for that truck driver. Okay, so we're going 58. I think I saw something about like going 25, 35. Let's take a quick look. So we're going 50, 60. Okay, so 25... zone ahead. Okay, so 68 versus 25. So now it's like, okay, orange stage. We're getting a nice little warning that something might be happening up ahead that could be an issue. Now, it's not a yellow sign, so it's not really a caution sign. So this is telling you have to do it. Okay, you have to do 25 up ahead. So let's go ahead and start rolling up the throttle. I think that's what kind of saved them. I think they were parking. It's just that we couldn't see anything. Now, why were they parking and why did they make that choice? Let's take a look at this this turn. It's a blind turn. That person made a choice way before that started to go off, okay? So when we see this type of stuff, we need to do some progressive brake pressure. We have to brake. Now, you notice how I keep using progressive brake pressure. I keep using plan, intentional blindness, line of sight, space cushion. Like, these are all things that you're supposed to do. These are all the fundamentals. At no point am I saying, hey, we got a trail brake here. At no point am I saying, hey, what belt do you have? How fast can we go, Mad Maxie? Like, nobody's saying that. We're not here for that. We're here to ride safely, being a smart rider. These are the principles that all DDFM crew members follow, okay? Let's do that. Did a good job. braking, a little bit of a swerve, got him out of that situation, found that escape path. Get out of there. Good job. Part of being a smart rider is acquiring and utilizing personal protective equipment, so make sure you grab yourself a jacket just like this one from RevZilla using the link in the description. It's an affiliate link, it helps me out, no extra cost to you. Plus it lets RevZilla know that the DDFM crew is pretty badass and they actually grab some gear. Anyways, click that link, I'll see you soon. All right, was distracted, didn't have a clear mind, show how foggy mind can affect your skill. Oh, going a little white, shit. Woo, yeah, I got a little poo-poo in the pantalon, and then we're gonna go ahead and keep doing stuff. What are you doing? You already screwed up. All right, so we're going through the mountains. We're going about 76 miles per hour. Whatever, right? Let's say this is California, trying to catch up to max risk. Here we go. We're gonna go around this corner. It's a blind corner. Can't see anything. Nice. Can't see anything. So we got to be very careful what's going to be around that. We saw a vehicle go around that, so maybe if they slowed down or stopped, we're going to run into them. But this whole situation is us going a little too fast. When you go into a corner, especially on the mountains, you got to look far ahead. So you got to look for signs, debris, and your possible entry, okay? So that's the thing. I like doing middle. So think about that. You have to adjust your speed. This is not adjusting the speed. 69? No. If it's recommended 45, do 45. You can always add speed later. Taking it away in the middle of a turn when you're going wide is not very fun, and it's very dangerous, and that's what we're going to see that happen here. So we go a little bit wide. And remember, you got to hit those little bumps. Sometimes they have little groove marks, but we're going to hit something here. Not good. That's going to mess us up. We're starting to adjust our speed now, a little bit late, and hopefully no cars are coming. Oh, crap. There are cars coming. Oh, no, SUV. All right, so we adjusted our speed a little bit more. We dropped it down to 20 miles an hour, roughly. And we're going to have to hopefully maintain this turn and then find our exit, which he does. So pretty good on that. Bad that you got yourself in that situation, so I'm not going to give you the smart rider status. Nope, not a smart rider. Thankfully, that vehicle did a nice little escape path. So this vehicle did good. They escaped because they don't want to damage their vehicle because of a dum-dum here. We got down to 38 miles per hour. Barely made it, and here's the thing. We did good. We're going to go home and ride the rest of the ride safe. No, we're not. We are not going to do that. We're just going to go ahead and go back to our old ways. Did not learn a single thing, so hopefully you guys learn. There's a car right there. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live, so make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.